Best wood chippers. Number 3. YARDMAX Chipper Shredder with Briggs Stratton Engine. Durable and easy to use, sufficiently handles branches up to 3 inches in diameter, saving valuable time and hassle. Spacious, self-feeding chute designed to handle longer branches with ease. Briggs Stratton Engine provides 9.50 feet to pounds of torque while delivering cleaner, more fuel-efficient results. Solid steel casings provide the durable parts necessary to handle rugged jobs, time and again. Simple maintenance through easily accessible chipper blades. Pneumatic wheels offer convenient mobility across any terrain. Pros: a rugged machine with gas-powered engine. Chips and shreds branches up to 3 inches in diameter. Self-feeding chute is wide, no prior pruning needed. Cons: expensive, not suited for wet wood, no collection bag. Bottom line: though pricey, it's the best option if you need a powerful model that can handle a bit more than basic backyard cleanup. Number 2. Sanjo 15 amp electric wood chipper / shredder. Ideal for turning branches and twigs into nutrient-rich garden mulch. Powerful 15 amp motor effectively chips and shreds branches up to 1.5 inches thick. Compact design with 6-inch wheels for easy portability. Safety hopper with locking knob prevents the motor from operating when opened. ETL approved, full 2-year warranty. Pros: easy to use and maneuver, yet capable of handling branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter. Compact design is ideal for tasks like making garden mulch. Cons: not good at mulching leaves or heavy-duty brush. No collection bag. Bottom line: a good value for homeowners with backyard and garden wood chipping tasks. Number 1. Patriot Products CSV 2515 Electric Wood Chipper / Leaf Shredder. The quiet, smooth, maintenance-free electric motor starts with just the flip of a switch. Easily shred mountains of leaves by sliding them into the large hopper on the top of the unit. The Patriot will make coin-sized chips out of branches up to 2.5 inches in diameter. All processed material will discharge out the side of the machine into the standard collection bag. Pros: 20:1 reduction ratio. Clean and quiet. Includes baffles and safety goggles for extra protection. Cons: some complaints about plastic wheels. Slower performance on larger branches. Bottom line: one of the most powerful electric wood chippers on our shortlist, and also one of the most expensive. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.